Okay, we're back. Just a brief look at that previous page that we completed, where we're having a look at the mind map, and what should be around the outside is at least 5 different projects which you could pursue for your NEA, for your GCSE. Now, what I want you to do for the next page is take 5 of those projects and see how feasible they are. See if you could make them in the workshop. See if they're too complicated. See if we've got the facilities to make them, the materials to make them. If they interest you, that's what I want you to research, because we want to end up with a project which we can make to a high quality, and which you want to make and you want to get involved in. You don't get bored with. And so we're going to the scenarios, explore 5 of the possible ideas. The idea here is you take 5 ideas and you write a very short design brief. I could intend to design and make a set of skittles that could be used in the park. They'd be made out of timber, and they would need to be reasonably durable because they would be thrown from a distance of 10 plus meters. This game could be enjoyed by those between the ages of 5 to 85, and a little bit more. So you're writing a design brief, just summing up that possible idea, and you know that I had that skittle idea in the previous video. So you're going to write yourself a design brief down, and that will occupy half of the page. I'll put a line down the page if I was you. And then on the other side of the page, you're just going to think, right, if I was to make skittles, what would I have to do? Well, I'd have to get some wood. I'd have to get some appropriate wood. It'd have to be reasonably heavy. It'd have to be reasonably hard, reasonably tough wood. To be quite frank, it just seems a little bit easy. It just seems like I'm just turning a load of wood, and therefore I'm not particularly interested, I don't think, in doing this for my GCSE, as it's just not complex enough. And so then you might go on to the second idea, which could be, for example, a memory game, and that might be better suited because that might involve a microcontroller and so forth. And so that's what you should be doing. Design briefs on the left-hand side, 5 of them, and then explore what those different ideas would entail. What I would also try and do is try and draw pictures wherever you can. If you've got an idea of what it could look like, and do a little thumbnail sketch. No one's marking you on your sketching, but you will be marked if you don't do any sketching. So we've got to have the little concept sketches just to pepper this research section. Remember, on every page, introduction. Remember, on every page, a summary. This is page 2. And let's just drop down. Out we go. So a lovely one here. Of course, what he's got is he's written out his 4 or 5 different briefs. He's also annotated it with bits and pieces which could be important, maybe too challenging. He's done some fantastic little drawings of what these could possibly look like, and again annotated these with things of a concern. In the end, what has he done? He has highlighted one of these ideas, and this is the idea he takes forward. So this page here is easily a star, and it's something that you could do, I'm sure. So that is page number 2. Really easy and simple. So I look forward to seeing some fantastic results by the 19th of June, because that's when it's due in. All right.